Hello, this is Sirat Ali. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access LSEG Workspace, which is formerly known as Refinitiv Workspace. Refinitiv Workspace is a powerful platform which can give you heaps of data for your research, teaching, or investment decisions. The example of data can include environmental, social, and governance data. It can be mergers and acquisitions, loan transactions, stock price, economic indicators. This tutorial looks very basic, but if someone don't know how to access LSEG Workspace, it's a very big challenge. Like one of the viewer in my recent video added a comment that I have the username and password of Refinitiv Workspace, but I don't know how to access it. Given that context in my consideration, I decided to come up with a video which can benefit that particular viewer, can also benefit the wider community. So let's get started. The first thing you need to check with your university is whether your university has a subscription to LSEG Workspace. If there is no subscription, of course, the access cannot happen. It can happen if you have a collaborator from another university which have a subscription to LSEG Workspace. Let's say if your university have LSEG Workspace subscription, then you may be asking a question, what should be the next step to access the LSEG Workspace to extract data for your research, teaching, or investment decision? You have two options. The first option is to access LSEG Workspace from the campus or to access it from the remote location. If you want to access LSEG Workspace from the campus, you need to check with your university whether they have set up the workstations in any particular lab. If they have set up workstations in particular lab, you should check the timetable to access the lab and the workspace. It can happen that there are other tutorials and workshops happening in the lab, and you are not able to access the workstation all the time. If you want to access LSEG Workspace remotely, you need to have LSEG Workspace personal account. Contact with your university, the relevant faculty, or the library to set up the personal account, which we can give you the username and password. You need this username and password to then access the Refinitiv or LSEG Workspace remotely. There are three options available to you to access LSEG Workspace remotely. The first option is the web access. Simply use the URL which is displayed on the screen, go to the web browser and access the LSEG Workspace on the web page. The second option is to download and install the LSEG Workspace desktop version on your computer. Use the URL that is displayed in front of you, go to the web browser and download the software, install it, and then you use your username and password, which were given to you through your personal account. The third option is the Excel add-in workspace. So what happens once you install the LSEG workspace on your desktop computer, the Excel add-in will automatically be included in the Excel. So now if I want to access LSEG Workspace, what I do, I simply go to this URL. For example, I'm clicking on that, and then it will take me to the web page where I will be asked to enter my username and password. For example, here, my username is my email address, and then I'm going to enter my password and click sign in. It will take a couple of seconds to then enter into the workspace. So here we are in the home page of LSEG Workspace. So now if I want to search for any company, for example, BHP, it's a publicly listed company in Australia. Want to search for that, I can click and enter into the company page to extract a lot of information and data about the company. The second option, if I want to access LSEG Workspace, is the desktop version. So what I did, I went to the website, which is displayed here. For example, I click on it here, and I just show you the software I downloaded because it's the LSEG Workspace for desktop, and I use Windows. So I downloaded this software, installed it in my computer. And if you want to see where it is appearing, then go to the Start menu here. So it's the Refinitiv Workspace. It's still showing Refinitiv, but hopefully in the future it will be replaced with LSEG Workspace. But if I click on this Refinitiv Workspace, it will ask me to enter the username and password. So enter that, click sign in. It's saying I'm already signed in elsewhere because I signed it on the web page. So I'm saying that's fine. Don't worry, just sign me in. Here it is. The desktop version is also logged in, and you can see the information that is available. The third option is Excel add-in. As the desktop version of LSEG Workspace is already installed in my computer, if I open the Excel file, and if you see here, this workspace is already appearing. Once you click on this workspace, it will ask you to sign in. So you can click on sign in. It may ask me username and password. Once I enter that, then the Refinitiv Workspace will be ready to use. It did not ask me now because I have already logged into the computer app, which is here already running. So with that, I'm done with my tutorial. I hope that I have given you various options to access LSEG Workspace. In the upcoming videos, I will be digging deep into the various data download options. So stay tuned for that. Till then, take care. Have a very good day. Bye-bye.